launch it off.
Oh my gosh.
Am I going fast enough yet?
Hope y'all, did y'all have fun? That's what it was intended to happen. So thank y'all to all of our extended families. Thank y'all for what you do in supporting your spouses and partners and their work here at USC Upstate. It means a lot, and they can't do what they do without you. So thank you so much for your support, and continue to let them work early and leave late. Thank you.
There you go. I know you got me up because you're shorter than him.
There we go.
That's perfect.
All right, and on the count of three, everybody say Upstate. 1, 2, 3.
Upstate.